Hi friends, last time I explained the negative and directed numbers. Today I will solve the exercise of negative numbers. So what are the negative numbers? A negative number is such a number that is less than 0. For example, you have less than 0 is -1. So I am writing -1, -2, -3 and so on. Okay, so these are negative numbers with the sign negative or minus sign. These are known as the negative numbers. So negative number represent the opposite. If positive number represent a movement to the right direction, negative number represents a movement to the left direction. So these are opposite. So positive, you know that. Let's suppose 0 is in the middle. So when you will move to the right, +1, there will +1, okay, then +2, so +3 and so on. But on the left hand side or to the left direction, when you will move to the left direction, there will be -1, -2, -3 and so on. It is decreasing and it is increasing. So +1, +2, +3 is increasing, and -1, -2, -3 is decreasing. So these numbers are also called the negative numbers. Yes friends, we skipped the exercise last time. So exercise number 1, this exercise is related to the negative numbers. So in this exercise, in question number 1 to 12, move up or down the thermometer to find the new temperature. So this is our thermometer. So move up or down. Okay, move up or down, increase or fall, decrease. Okay, so and find the new temperature. Let's suppose in the first question he is saying that the temperature is +8 degree. So here it will come here is 8 degree. Okay, we are according to the scale, it is 8 degree, +8 degree. Now he says that it falls by 3 degree. So what is the new temperature? So I am writing here also the temperature is +8 degree, plus sign, falls mean negative, to the opposite side -3 degree. So +8 degree, -3 degree, what will be the answer? As the sign is plus with the bigger value, you can say the sign is positive, so we will write here positive. This one is positive, so we will write the positive sign here. What is the difference between 3 and 8? 5. So our answer is +5 degree. Now we are doing practically here on this. Look, this is 8 degree is the temperature, and when it will move down or falls down, 3 degree. So 1, 2, 3. So this means 8, then 7, 6, 5. So 5 degree. So the new temperature is 5 degree. This is our answer. Now question number 2 is the temperature is -8 degree and it rises by 4 degrees. So I will write here. So -8 degree is our temperature. Okay. Now the rises by, this mean it is adding. When it is rises or increasing, so it will add. It will add up. So -8 degree plus 4 degree. So what is the answer? As the sign of which is greater number, 4 or 8. So 8 is greater, we will put the sign of the 8. So this is minus. And what is the difference between both number? This is 4. So -4 degree is the new temperature. Okay. Question 3. the temperature is plus 4 degree and falls by 5 degree. So I am writing here plus 4 degree is the temperature, so I am writing is equal to plus 4 degree. So it falls mean minus 5 degree, mean falls moves to the negative side. So plus 4, so which number is greater? 5 is greater, so I am writing here minus. So sign is minus with the 5, so I am writing 5 minus sign. And what is the difference? Difference is 1, so minus 1 degree. This is the new temperature. So the temperature is minus 3 degree on the thermometer, and it rises by 7 degrees. So rises mean this is adding, so it adds, so plus 7 degree. So look, which number is greater, bigger? So 7 is bigger, so I will write the sign of 7 here. So 7 is sign of plus, and what is the difference is 4 degree. So this is the new temperature. So question number 5, the temperature is plus 2. I am writing here directly plus 2, okay, degree, and the new temperature will be when it will fall by 6 degrees. So falls mean minus 6 degree. So I am writing is equal to, so which number? Minus 6 has a minus sign and 2 has a plus sign. So 6 is greater, so we will put the minus sign. So how much difference between both? So difference is 4, so minus 4 degree. So then is equal to plus 4 degree was the temperature, and it rises by 8 degree. So rises mean plus, so 8 degree. Okay, so both have the same signs, so we will put plus and we will add both of them. So plus 12. Okay, so this is new temperature. So question number 7, the temperature is minus 1 degree and it falls by 6 degrees. So I am writing here, so minus 1 degree and it falls means minus 6 degree. So both have the same sign, so we will put minus and we will add up. So new temperature will be minus 1 minus 6, so minus 7 degree. And in question number 8, the temperature is plus 9 degree and it falls by 14 degree. So I will write is equal to plus 9 degree. Okay, so falls by 14, so I am writing here minus 14 degree. Okay, so this is equal to, which is greater? So 14 is greater and have a sign of minus, so difference is 5, so minus 5 degree. Okay, so minus 5 degree. Some student asked me before that you are putting the equal sign before the equation. So there's no problem, you can put imply sign and then you can write the equation. Okay, you can write the numbers, then you can put is equal to, and this will be equal to minus 5 though. So both methods are correct. Okay, if you are putting the equals to sign before or after, no problem, it's okay. So here question number 9 is the temperature is minus 5 degree. So I am writing here, you can write imply sign or the equal to sign, no problem, minus 5 degree and it rises by 1 degree, so plus 1 degree. So when rises, so it's increasing plus, so this is equal to, okay, minus, so 5 has greatest 5 is greater and it's a minus sign, so we will put minus. What is the difference? 4, so 4 degree. So this is minus 4 degree. This is new temperature. What is the temperature? Minus 13 degree and it rises by 13 degrees, so I will write plus 13 degree. Okay, so plus and minus, so both numbers are equal, 13 and 13, but with the opposite signs. So this will be plus 13 minus 13 will be equal to 0. They will cut each other, okay, because these are opposite signs and numbers are equal, so this will be 0. So the temperature will be 0 degree. So question number 11, some land in Bangladesh is below sea level. Here are the heights above the sea level of the 5 villages. So A is 1 meter, B is minus 4 meter, C is 21 meter, D is minus 2 meter, and E is minus 1.5 meter. So which village is safest from flooding? So which village? So you know that this is general rule, when the height of the village above the sea level will be more, so that village will be more safest. So look here with the plus sign, so there is no sign plus or minus, so this means plus. Here no sign, so this means plus. So look here, the plus number is greater, so plus 1 is greater or plus 21, so definitely C is more safest. C is safest because it is more on the above the sea level, okay, 21 meter higher than others. So which village is most at risk from serious flooding? So look here, which is the in depth. So down, minus means below the sea level. So look here, this is minus 4 meter, and this minus 2, and this minus 1.5. So minus 4 is more deeper. So the answer of B will be, here A is C and B will be, the answer of B will be B, this one, okay. So question number 11, some land in Bangladesh is below sea level. Here are the heights above the sea level of the 5 villages. So A is 1 meter, B is minus 4 meter, C is 21 meter, D is minus 2 meter, and E is minus 1.5 meter. So which village is safest from flooding? So which village? So you know that this is general rule, when the height of the village above the sea level will be more, so that village will be more safest. So look here with the plus sign, so there is no sign plus or minus, so this means plus. Here no sign, so this means plus. So look here, the plus number is greater, so plus 1 is greater or plus 21, so definitely C is more safest. C is safest because it is more on the above the sea level, okay, 21 meter higher than others. So which village is most at risk from serious flooding? So look here, which is the in depth. So down, minus means below the sea level. So look here, this is minus 4 meter, and this minus 2, and this minus 1.5. so minus 4 is more deeper. So the answer of B will be, here A is C and B will be, the answer of B will be B, this one, okay. So question number 12 is, a diver is below the surface of the water at minus 15 meter. He dives down by 6 meter, then rises 4 meter. Where is he now? So this is very simple, okay. Okay, he was below the surface of the sea, so I will write minus 15 here first because he was at this level, and he dives down by 6 meter. Okay, this downs mean more in the depth, okay, in down the sea, so minus 6 again, okay. As he will goes down, so it will increase minus, then 7 6 minus 6 minus 7, and it will increase downwards. Okay, then rises 4 meter, so rises 4 meter up, so when it will move up, we will put plus. So now first, okay, minus 15 and minus 6, so both signs are same, so I will put minus, and 15 plus 6 21, now plus 4. So which number is greater? 21 is greater and having a sign of minus, so I will put minus, and difference between both number 21 and 4 is 17. So he is now at the inside the sea, under the sea, minus 17 meter. 17 meter mean inside the sea, 17 meter inside the sea. Okay, so this is the answer.